Are you aware of the recent YouTube phenomenon? Short-form videos have taken the platform by storm, and even 15-year-olds are raking in up to $10,000 per month. Now, if you're thinking you lack the skills or time to achieve this, keep watching, because, in the next few minutes, we'll unveil an ingenious plan to automate your YouTube Shorts using AI. With minimal effort, you'll have the money flowing in no time. Let's dive right into it. Take a look at this channel over here. They're making a fortune, and this person right here is practically printing money. And guess what? They're doing it in the simplest, most engaging way possible, through memes. Yep, those simple and funny memes that brighten up the moods of many. So, without any further delay, let's learn how to create them with the help of AI. To start, we'll head over to ChatGPT. We'll ask it to throw in some meme ideas that we can bring to life visually. Remember, our goal is to minimize our own effort while maintaining top quality. ChatGPT provides us with a bunch of great ideas, but if you're not satisfied, you can always regenerate its responses. Pro tip: mass-produce these ideas and store them in an Excel sheet. Alternatively, you can generate them for each video and copy them directly from ChatGPT. Once you have a sufficient number of ideas to create at least a half-minute video, it's time to visit supermeme.ai. This is where the magic happens. Supermeme.ai is an AI tool that generates memes based on the input you provide. It's like creating AI-based art. Let's take the ideas generated by ChatGPT one by one and paste them into supermeme.ai. Wow! Look at these fantastic memes. Supermeme.ai has provided us with several variations for each meme. You can even resize the text to your liking. Choose the ones you prefer and repeat this process until you have enough for a short-form video. Next, let's head over to an AI-powered text-to-speech tool like muff.ai. Copy the exact text generated by ChatGPT and paste it into muff.ai. The voice generated by muff.ai will serve as the narration for your memes, adding an engaging element to them. Congratulations! Most of the work is done. Now all you need to do is merge these memes into a video format using any video editor of your choice. Once you've completed that step, it should look something like this.
Waking up after a 12-hour afternoon nap. When you fart in the online class and your name lights up. Teacher hypes up class party all year. The party. The underpaid teacher who bought it with its own money.
Pretty cool, isn't it? But before uploading your video to YouTube, make sure to add captions. You can easily auto-generate and customize them using the CapCut app, saving you valuable time and effort. Remember, consistency is key. Keep uploading your meme-filled videos regularly and let the algorithm do its magic. If you've made it this far, we would highly appreciate a like and a tap on that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.